Many of our guests will be around here. Yeah. Thank you.
We need to read it. So Alice can read it. If you see today, this year we've had largely, we can say most of the regions have had crop. Rain has not been good. It's a depressed rainfall. So if we've walked across the countryside and we found most of the fields, the maize, the majority of the crops are almost at that failure stage. So we are finding that despite the technology, the issues of climate change is becoming very serious. So here we are asking farmers to visit KALRO, then so that they can be able, other than getting the good technology or good variety, we are also capacitating farmers on how to do adaptation, mitigation. And more so, we are encouraging farmers to embrace issues of irrigation, because without irrigation, then the rain-fed farming becomes a challenge.
What we are doing is consolidating and bringing our product near the people. We have done research, we have gone to the test tubes, we have done research in the laboratory, but now we want to bring the research, which is already done, to the people, for the people to come and see what research has KALRO been doing.
On the issue of protection of government properties and government land, including KALRO land, previously we have worked with KALRO to make sure KALRO recovers back land that was taken away by people who are not friendly, people, unscrupulous people who grab public land and making spaces not available for KALRO. We have made an achievement here. We have brought back huge parcels of land back to KALRO for use, and we will continue to support KALRO and all government agencies to get back land by pushing for completion of cases that involve people who previously grabbed public land, to bring them back.